Okay, hey. Something to celebrate. Another video that helped to prevent someone, this commenter, from being scammed by the fake AliExpress. Now, today, for this example, I have more details that I can share with you. Look over here, which is the WhatsApp conversation between the commenter and the scammer. So, now the thing is, what do we learn from here? In a fake AliExpress, right, affiliate program, you'll be seeing such example that there is a human being facilitator reaching out to you, communicating to you, especially touching on the subject and instigating to you, right, to start putting in your own money in order to withdraw the commission. So that's the common backstory that is given to you. Now the thing is, immediately, as an experienced affiliate marketer since 2020, right? Things like that, obviously, it is a scam. Because in a legit, proper and official affiliate marketing business program, there is never, right? There is no such thing for us to start putting in our own money in order to withdraw the commissions that we have made because of successfully helping the platform, such as an official AliExpress, right, to promote the products that they showcase on their shopping website, right? There is never once that we have to do that as an official affiliate marketer. The second point to highlight, especially to the commenter and the other people that are kind of involved with the fake AliExpress, right? Do know that with the official AliExpress, the communication channel with them, there's only one channel, which is the email. The communication. And in the email, to take note is, it is more like a newsletter to us. There is no replying to and fro with a human being, a representative on the other side. It's like just an official, auto-generated kind of newsletter to us as an affiliate, right? Informing us what is the current trending products that comes with some special discount code, right? To inform us what to promote so that we can make better commissions. Okay? That is the most number of communications to us from the official channel. Right? So these are the 2 points that I have to specially emphasize once again to the viewers, right? If you are involved with your so-called AliExpress and it is not what I have described, right? These 2 points, then I'm sorry to tell you that most likely, right, some imposters are trying to use the trademark of the official AliExpress to con you to believe that there is some easy money for you to make, right? So please stop, right? Please stop. Delete everything, right? Delete everything. Clear your smartphone cache, right? So that you reduce the traceability, right, to the minimum between you and the suspected scammers. And to support you further, right, because it cannot be just based on one video that you can understand, moving forward, especially, right, if you did not give up about, starting a real, right, a legit affiliate marketing business journey, right? So may I invite you to join me in my TikTok live streaming that is happening weekly, Monday and Thursday at the Singapore local time, 12 a.m., right? In it, I will discuss with you at a deeper level, right, about how are you going to market someone else's product as an affiliate and how can you do it long term, right? So in the live stream, I also welcome you to interact actively with me. So it's not a one-way traffic, it's a two-way communication. Yes, may I invite you to join me in my live streaming, right? In addition, right, at a private setting, may I also invite you to get yourself to join me in my Telegram group, whereby over there, I will provide you with more resources that I've collected or I paid for it, right, in regards to online marketing strategies, tactics, right, all these resources that I can provide you in my Telegram group, right, whereby you can see the link here on the screen or inside the caption, right. Go and check it out and get yourself into my private Telegram group, right. So I hope If you have watched until here, goes to show that most likely you have learned something in the past few minutes, and at the same time that you are not giving up hope about really learning and taking actions in becoming a good affiliate marketer, right? So in that sense, then I will see you in my private Telegram group and also my live streaming, right? So lastly, don't forget to follow me so that you will not miss out any notifications on my part. Thank you for watching.